Hi guys, good morning. It's the 31st of December 2018, last day of the year, and yeah, 2019 starts tomorrow, and that's great. Thankful for life and all that kind of jazz. But on today's vlog episode, we're going to the beach. Exactly, when you live on an island, you're surrounded by a lot of beaches, and my sister and I, we've never been to one before, so this is also another kind of tour, but a more chill, beachy, vibey kind of tourish vlog. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll take you guys along, obviously, and I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next clip.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come on video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come on video this. You want murder me,
So if you look that way, you see the infamous reggae beach. This is the parking lot. I've heard so much about this place. Mega, say hi to my vlog. Can you just keep your face down and look at this? Love it. And this is the cute, adorable one. God, cute swimsuit. I like your swimsuit. Okay, can you please tell me why you're not wearing slippers?
Very nice. I want you to be my
Venga, please come and carry you to hill. I don't. If something punched my leg, I was not here.
Slow down.
I just. This is regular. Sorry. What time is it?
You slow down. Oh Lord of His mercy.
Here we are, Reggae Beach. As you can see, the beach suits and it's really beachy. And I'm walking on sand. It's already sandy. Woo. It's been a while. Okay. This is actually okay. No, this is my second time at the beach. So I remember that first time we were in Miami, but we didn't actually really go to the beach like that. We just went. I don't like it. Okay, I will just stay in the shallow part. I'm not going in deep. Then where did you come to? I'm at the beach. This is my second time at the beach. The first time I was in Miami with my parents, but we didn't really go in. We just saw it and just acknowledged it. I'm excited. My friends and my sister, they're all in the water. I will enjoy them later. But first of all, I'm working on the first island tour vlog. I'm still editing it. I just want to finish it up so that I could go and enjoy them. That's my laptop. So let me show you. Reggae beach. If you guys look at the photos, that's my sister, lovely Ruby and Vega. They're trying to swim. We just finished swimming now and it was so much fun. I learned how to swim and I kind of learned how to float. But I am a last learning, no. I'm not yet expertise, but seriously, so being inside the water is fun. Now that's how I was screaming. I drank it a lot. Fish touched me, I was so scared. I jumped on you.
And hands was not like really big.
The fish was swimming still. I thought it was going to bite me. That fish is so nice. This beach is nice. You do love it, say hi.
Oh Lord of His mercy.
This beach is so good.
She did murder me. His body, baby, oh. Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka.
You guys, carnival is starting this night at evening time. So everywhere in Bassett Terrace and KITTS is lighting up for carnival. Look at the people, look at crowds of people.
I think we even missed something. Of seat boxes on the floor. That means they've moved on parade already.
They've started now. Carnival started today. Carnival. This carnival is on. Look everywhere. Yeah, see the crowd.
We are going to come on the canal. We are going to park far away.
Huh?
Because traffic, eh?
It will be crazy.
best.
We just walk down.
Do you know the best place to observe carnival?
Where?
On my bed.
My bed.
Right.
What's the fun in you being on there and not witness
Their carnival.
doesn't make sense.
How long have you been on the island? Have you experienced it?
Just once last year.
So this is strip vibes beach, Shanda beach, and we're going jet skiing.
It's like different from what they say because it's open. That's why it's called strip.
Oh.
I thought it was called strip because people are naked.
Okay.
Guess what?
What?
Sorry, I have to go.
You? Are you?
We are there. There's one more person.
If I'm riding, who's following me? You do. You want to come with me?
Yeah. Come on then.
Okay.
So,
Okay, Ross, you go with that spring.
I'll go with Benga. Then
I don't even know.
I think he's in one of
Taking
the.
long to change.
Here's the jet skiing
Back.
station.
Yeah,
Those
yeah,
are the
yeah.
bikes
Oh,
and
yeah.
got them in the water. So they are still. Sun is setting.
Let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. The way you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco. Go loco, I say I don't mind what you do. You'll always be my boo. Yeah. Say I don't mind what they say. We can make it if we try. Yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make me go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me. Baby girl, it's me and you tonight, Mogwe. I will never let you.
My jet skiing experience, it was amazing. It's already evening. I think you should be like past 6. So Yudi and Benga, you see those people at that bike. Let me see if I can. I don't know how to put points to them, but look at them. They are coming in now. They are coming in from their jet skiing experience. This was so fun. And the sunset is beautiful. Here they come. Hi. Yudi is asleep. She said she cannot after the tubing. Oh. Okay, so this place is called Vibes because Vibes Beach Bar. This is Vibes Beach. Edie, how was it? But be careful, sorry. She has already changed and sat down. She wants to vomit. She said she wants to puke after the puking, after the tubing. The thank you.
Yeah. No.
Sheep.
No. This one. No.
Okay. Yes, I'm driver. I was jet ski driver. Champion of the hour.
Oh, it's too dark. Sun is setting, so you can't see your face, but
Can't see me.
that is amazing. They're bringing in the boats now. They're closing. And look at this sunset, man. It's so cool. I'm sorry. I'm trying to view the sunset. And look at this mountain. St. Kitts is a really beautiful country, no doubt.
Never let you go so far away.